Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can catch the mother of pearl butterfly in Heartopia. So the weather needs to be either rainbow or rainy, and it spawns during dawn or nighttime. So dawn for me is 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then nighttime is 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. And it's going to spawn in the windmill flower field area. You're just going to go and catch some insects and it's going to spawn. It looks like the frostborer one because it's the same one basically, but the frostborer mother of pearl is the more crystallized one from the event before the movie popcorn one. Um And yeah, this is what the insect looks like. This is what the butterfly looks like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Also, you will need to be level 9 of the insect catching hobby. And yeah, if you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.